Hello everyone and welcome to Aglasem. So NTA has finally released the JEE Main 2021 admit card. We had all been waiting for this moment. In fact, but NTA has given us a surprise by releasing it so early. Most of the reports were indicating that the admit card would be out on 14th Feb, even though NTA had promised that they will do it in the second week of February, which is about to end. So anyways, without further ado, I'll tell you exactly how to download the admit card. This video will be in English, however, I think the steps will be more than self-explanatory. If you still need a video in Hindi or any other language, do let me know, comment down below. So see, the page I'm showing you on screen right now is the link for the same I've given in the description also. So using it, you can download the admit card. So this is the article we had written on JEE Main admit card after it got released, and I'll tell you exactly how to download it from here. So when you scroll down here, you will see that we have given you 3 links to download admit card. That is because NTA has given 3 links to download admit card. In fact, if you go to JEE Main official website, which is jmain.nta.nic.in, you will see that there are 3 links to download admit card. Now you can click on any of these links. All of them go to a similar login page. NTA has activated 3 links because what happens is that many students try to access the same link at the same time and then the server goes down. So keeping that in mind, they have taken certain precautions and given you 3 links. So now students will get distributed. So by chance one of the links is not working, you can use the other link. So say for example, I go to link 1. Now you will be asked to log in with application number, date of birth and security pin. So I have my application number written down here, not mine obviously. One of my friends is giving the exam. So I'll type in the application number. Then I'll enter the date of birth. And then I'll enter the security pin. The security pin is this thing that you see here on the screen. So every time you refresh the page, the security pin is changed. Then I'll click on the submit button. Now, I am immediately taken to the download admit card page. This is because I had already logged in once. So everybody who is logging in for the first time to download the admit card, you will see an undertaking first. So what this undertaking will do is that it will ask you to confirm that you do not have any COVID-19 symptoms, you have not been in touch with a COVID-19 person recently, you did not travel outside. In fact, I have given a screenshot of it in the article also, so that before you are logging in, you already are aware of all these things first. So in the how to download section in the article, you will see this, you have to click on the link, you have to log in, and then see, this is the declaration that appears on the screen. The declaration says, it gives your application number, then it says your name, I'm a resident of, it gives the address you had mentioned in the application form. Do hereby declare the following. 1. That I have read the instructions, guidelines and relevant orders pertaining to COVID pandemic. I have read information bulletin, instructions and notices related to this examination available on the website. I have in the last 14 days. Now you have to tick wherever it is applicable to you, otherwise leave blank. So if you have any of these flu-like symptoms, fever, cough, breathlessness, sore throat, runny nose, body ache or others, then you have to tick it. If you do not have any of these symptoms, then do not tick it. Then it asks you, I have been in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID. Close contact means being at less than 1 meter for more than 15 minutes. If yes, then you have to select from the drop down yes, otherwise select no. And the third thing it asks you to do is whether I have not been in close contact with a person suffering from COVID-19 and am not under mandatory quarantine. So here also you'll get the drop down and you'll have to select the appropriate option. So if you have been in contact, select yes. If you have not been in contact, select no, or whatever the form exactly the option is asking you to do. The last thing it says is, I have traveled the following cities, countries in the last 14 days prior to arriving at the center. Here also in the drop down, you have to select whether you have been in contact with any sorry, whether you have traveled to any of these countries or not. If none, then you just select none. Then you submit the declaration. So after you have submitted the declaration, then you will get this page which says undertaking submitted successfully. Then you will get the link download admit card. So simply click on this link and oh, my session has expired. So this is a problem that might happen. So what I'll do is that I'll go to incognito mode and I'll log in again. Right. So you see, so the admit card appears immediately on the screen. I'll show you all the pages of the admit card. So on the top, you will see your roll number. This is very important. You must note down your roll number because you will need it for your later, to download your answer key and to check your result. Your name, gender, category, whether you have a scribe or not. Your application number, your father's name, date of birth, PWD status, your signature. Then there is also a barcode here. So when you go to the center, this barcode will be read. Then your photograph is also here. Then it says the paper that you're appearing for, the date of exam. So see, the exam is on different dates, right? 23, 24, 25, 26. So here you will see exactly which exam date has been assigned to you. Then it will tell you the reporting time. Now please take care to reach the center on time. Gate closing time, timing of test. So the exam is in different shifts also, so you can see exactly which shift has been allotted to you. Your test center number and the venue of the test. Now here the declaration that you had filled would also be mentioned here. The same thing you have to fill up here. Now here you have the space for your photograph, then a left thumb impression, then a signature. This thing you have to fill before you go to the exam center. So you must be having your photograph which you pasted in the application form, which you uploaded in the application form. Take the same photo and paste here. The left thumb impression also you have to put before you reach the center. So you have to put your left thumb on a ink pad and then press it here. Then the signature. This thing you have to fill in presence of the invigilator. That is, do not fill this before going to the center. Fill this when you are at the center in front of the invigilator. Below this, you have very important instructions for the exam. Here it tells you exactly what sort of guidelines will be followed and what are the instructions that you have to keep in mind. Now the most important thing that I want to tell you about this section is the things that you have to take to the exam center. You have to take a water bottle, hand sanitizer, a small 50 ml one. Don't take a big bottle, just take the small 50 ml sanitizer bottle. You can take a small transparent ballpoint pen. You have to take the admit card with the self declaration. You have to carry an additional passport size photograph, and you have to carry one original valid ID proof. You also have to carry your masks and your gloves. Now the interesting thing is that you have to carry your masks and your gloves, but when you are entering the center, they'll ask you to use the masks that they are giving. So all that is also given here. We would be making another video on the exam day guidelines for JEE. Right now I felt it was very important to tell you how to download the admit card and everything related to that. So this is it. At the top of this page, you have this download admit card button. Obviously, you can't see my finger right now. But when you click on this download admit card button, basically the whole download admit card gets saved in your system as a PDF file. If you are downloading your admit card on a mobile phone, then make sure that you know where your PDF gets downloaded so that you can print it later on. And do not keep this task of printing the admit card for the last moment. Do this today or tomorrow only, or as soon as possible. And just the last thing I want to say before going is that use this exam center that is given here. Check on Google Maps where exactly your center is, and make sure you check out the center a few days before the exam. If you have any question regarding the admit card download, please ask in comments below. I've also given you the link of the article that I was showing in the comments below, from where you can get all the download admit card links. Why I'm not giving you the direct links to download admit card is because sometimes the direct links do not open in the URL. That's why I've given you the article link, where you will also find other details of how to download and other instructions for the exam, and even the exam pattern and everything is given there. So guys, best of luck for your exam, and bye bye.